Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW iX versus X7. We'll explore their fundamental distinctions, helping you understand which luxury SUV aligns with your needs. The iX offers an innovative electric powertrain and a sleek, modern aesthetic. In contrast, the X7 provides classic BMW luxury with powerful gasoline engines and a more traditional, commanding presence. When it comes to performance, both SUVs impress, but in different ways. The all-electric iX boasts instant torque, with its M60 variant reaching 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. It offers an estimated range of up to 324 miles. The X7, with its powerful gasoline engines, including a V8 option, provides up to 630 horsepower for a thrilling, robust driving experience. Step inside, and both vehicles showcase BMW's commitment to luxury and advanced technology. Each features a stunning curved display, integrating a 14.9-inch touchscreen. The iX presents a futuristic cabin with sustainable materials and an optional panoramic roof that can electronically shade itself. The X7 emphasizes classic opulence, offering available massaging seats and rich merino leather for ultimate comfort. For practicality, the iX provides ample cargo space, expanding to 77.9 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The X7, a larger three-row SUV, offers up to 90.4 cubic feet of cargo room with its second and third rows down. Starting prices for the iX are generally lower than the X7. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.